Divisibility by 8. An integer is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Now, this rule is not the most useful. This is useful only if your number is longer than 3 digits. Not to mention that you have to feel comfortable with taking a 3-digit number and knowing whether or not it's divisible by 8. On the other hand, if you're given a large number, say something like 1,878,888, then I guess it's easier to just examine its last 3 digits and determine from there whether or not this number is divisible by 8. Okay, so 888, the last 3 digits, is divisible by 8. So 1,878,888 is divisible by 8 as well. In fact, it turns out that if we take 1,878,888 and divide it by 8, we get so 1,878,888 divided by 8 actually ends up equaling 234,861. So when we divide 8 into this big number, the remainder is 0. Okay, another example. What about taking the number, say, just 1 million? Well, in this case, again, the rule says we're going to take the last 3 digits and we're going to see whether or not the number formed by those 3 digits is divisible by 8 or not. Well, 0, which you can just rewrite as a 0, is divisible by 8 by 8. In fact, 0 is divisible by any number except for itself. We don't want to divide by 0. Okay, so this means, and I'm going to use this double arrow that sort of means therefore, 1 million itself is divisible by 8. In fact, this just gives us, so 1 million divided by 8 is just 125,000.